There are concerns that consumers could pay more for farm produce as farmers suffered major losses to crops during the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Details from Prince Moore.
This is Fletcher's Avenue in Linstead, St. Catherine, which is usually abuzz with activity on a normal market day, with the sounds of vendors and customers haggling over the price of goods while sharing laughs. It has now gone near silent, as not only are sales down, but vendors say they are unable to get basic food items to sell to the public since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Patrice Thorpe is a farmer who also sells in the Linstead market. She is counting her losses since the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
I normally come with like 6 or 7 bags of cabbage. I just 2 crates of cabbage. And when water left, I have probably like ½ acre to 3/4 acre of pak chai and majority ain't gone. But we just have to give thanks to life in the last.
Another vendor, Derek Gale, says it's difficult to get produce, which will lead to an increase in prices.
I'm producing upon a high price right now. Seeing think you like we would buy for like say 100 or 200. Right now we have to price triple. So we have it hard right now. But we don't know. We don't have no scale in the market. No scale in the ounce of scale in the market. So you know, say it's set back right now because we don't know how we're going to face December. The crisis in December. For December, market are going to depend on price. So we have to go up in the export market that import can come in, that we can survive.
Shernet Riley travels to Coronation Market to purchase items to sell in Linstead. She's concerned that prices have skyrocketed, which she will...
Really and truly, the load them very expensive. We buy it for $500 per pound, and for come back a market come sell it. Me buy scalliana yesterday at Coronation Market and a $500 a pound me buy. For me buy sweet pepper $500 a pound, and the things them cannot keep. Them can't keep because the water in it. See here, sweet pepper me I cut up and I clean up right now. So by tomorrow, maybe me have to go throw away half of my profit there. So you know, it really wicked of eagle at them now, man, I lie.
Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says he expects to receive a comprehensive report on the impact of the storm in the breadbasket parishes by Monday.
Mere days following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, all indication is that the farming community has taken a big hit. This has resulted in a reduction in farm produce in the market and an increase in the prices. It is yet to see how the government will respond. Reporting for TVJ News, I'm Prince Moore.